The Australian Solar Rebate is not a rebate, but a system of small-scale technology certificates, STCs, under the Small-Scale Renewable Energy Scheme, SRES. Introduced in 2024, STCs were designed to encourage solar adoption by reducing upfront costs for homeowners and businesses. The number of STCs a system qualifies for depends on three key factors: system size. Larger systems receive more. Location. Sunnier areas generate more certificates. And the installation year. As the scheme phases out by 2030, fewer STCs will be issued annually. The closer the installation is to high sunlight regions like far north Queensland, the more STCs it qualifies for, whereas locations with lower sunlight, like Tasmania, receive fewer. Additionally, installing earlier solar maximizes benefits, as STC values decrease by 1/15 yearly until the scheme ends. The STC scheme is funded by large corporations and high-emission industries, which are legally required to purchase STCs to offset their pollution. This mechanism helps subsidize solar installations for Australian households and businesses, making renewable energy more accessible. The STC market value fluctuates, but has been capped at $40 per STC, with most installers selling them for around $38.50 to aggregators. Unlike solar panels, battery storage does not currently receive a national rebate, though some states, like South Australia and Queensland, offer incentives to encourage battery adoption. In New South Wales, no such rebate exists yet, though future policies may change. To maximize savings, homeowners should install the largest solar system possible, as it results in more STCs and a greater upfront discount. Since labor costs are fixed regardless of system size, a larger system often provides better value for money over time. Currently, STCs typically cover the cost of solar panels themselves, but additional expenses such as inverters, racking, cabling, and installation still need to be accounted for. When considering a solar installation, confirming that the quoted price includes STCs as an upfront discount is essential, ensuring that homeowners